First and the most easy to grow plant is spider plant. This plant can be grown by spiderets. You can propagate them easily in water. For a beginner gardener, this is a must-have plant in your garden. Can easily grow indoors, grow as a permanent plant as a beginner gardener. Start up with this beautiful spider plant. They grow easily within a short period. Money plant. Money plant is one of the beautiful plant that you can add in your garden as a permanent plant. You can grow this with a stem in water. You can propagate this easily. This grow very fast. So if you are starting up gardening, have one of these beautiful money plants. There are many varieties of these also. So add this plant in your garden. And once you have this in your garden, it will be a permanent plant and beautify your garden. Syngonium or arrowhead plant. This is another plant which a beginner gardener must have, because this is also easy to grow from stems and they will fast grow in water and you can easily propagate them too. So from stems you can grow this beautiful Syngonium plant. Next permanent and most easy to grow plant is Coleus. You can grow them in water very easily and you can grow them together and you can multiply it easily within a short period. So this is another plant to grow as a beginner gardener, and you can start up garden. This is another beautiful plant to start up your gardening with. So have Coleus also as a permanent plant in your bamboo. Lucky bamboo is another plant which you can grow easily. You can grow them in water or you can propagate them easily by stems. So this is another wonderful plant to have in your garden. This is a permanent plant. A beginner gardener can easily grow them. They are low maintenance too. This is lucky bamboo. Here I have about 2 to 3 stems growing in the same pot. And this is a wonderful permanent plant. Low maintenance also. So this is one of the beginner gardeners plant too.